This workout is the perfect way to challenge yourself. Focus on the moves, keep your control, and try to go one step further. Let's go. Focus shifting, muscles activated, ready to rumble? Start in a standing position with legs slightly apart. Alternately lift both knees up. Whilst doing this, bring your arms out in front of you, circling them up and back towards you. Repeat this motion. Start in a standing position with legs slightly apart. Maintain proper form and focus. Let's conquer this. Arm circles are very easy to perform. Start by swinging both arms behind you, then bring them forward into a circular motion. Try to make them as big as you can, and do so in a safe range of motion. Prepare for the next level of intensity. Get ready. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, lifting your arms so your elbows are adjacent to your shoulders, and your palms facing the floor in front of your chest. Twisting from the torso up, rotate your shoulders to the side, making sure your head follows the movement as you slowly exhale. Prepare for the next level of intensity. Get ready. Known as one of our primal movements, the squat has numerous strength benefits. Stand tall and trying to keep your chest high, lower your body by bending your knees to past 90 degrees and back to the starting position. Tip: try and not let your knees go past the point of your toes on the downward motion of the exercise. Focus shifting, muscles activated, ready to rumble? Start by standing with your feet under your hips. Jump the feet out as the arms extend above shoulder height to a star position, making sure the knees stay soft and the heels stay down. Then jump the feet back in under the hips, bringing the arms down and lowering the heels down. Maintain proper form and focus. Let's conquer this. In a standing position with your legs hip-width apart, step your right leg back, bending your left knee until both knees are at right angles. Make sure your core is engaged, keeping your upper body rigid. Raise your arms in front of you if needed, helping you to move with momentum and balance. Prepare for the next level of intensity. Get ready. Starting in a plank position with palms on the floor, directly under the shoulders. Bring your right arm up towards your alternate shoulder, shifting your weight onto that arm. Keeping your core engaged and back straight, tap your shoulder before returning it to its original position on the floor. Repeat with the other arm. Maintain proper form and focus. Let's conquer this. Start with your legs wide apart and arms at your side. Lift your elbows so they are level with your shoulders. Your elbows should be bent so your hands are in front of your face. Using your quads and hamstrings, sink into the floor with your knees at right angles, your back remaining straight as you lean into your heels. Don't forget proper form and breathing techniques. Let's conquer this exercise. Great introduction into an upper abdominal movement. Tip: try and reach the heel of your trainers on the upward movement. Start by lying on your back, knees bent, place your arms down by your side. Lift your shoulders off the floor once at the top, slowly lower your shoulders back down. Ready for the next challenge? Let's go. With feet shoulder width apart, hold the dumbbell in both hands on the outside of your right thigh. Twist your torso and lift the weight up and across your body. As you lift, stand and turn your torso so you end up facing the dumbbell above your left shoulder. Rise onto your toes as you twist and lift. Return to the start position. Ready for the next challenge? Let's go. Start with your legs shoulder width apart, toes pointed outwards and arms at your side. Sink down towards the floor as you keep your back straight, bending your knees to a 45-degree angle so that your weight is on your heels. Don't forget proper form and breathing techniques. Let's conquer this exercise. Hold the dumbbells in a standing position. Hinge forward until your torso is parallel with the floor. Drive the elbows behind the body while retracting the shoulder blades. Pull the dumbbells towards your body until the elbows are at the midline, and then slowly lower the dumbbells back to the starting position. Don't forget proper form and breathing techniques. Let's conquer this exercise. Start by lying on your back with your knees up towards the ceiling, creating a triangular position from hips, knees to feet. Gently drive the hips off the floor, rising up onto your shoulder blades, lifting underneath your glutes, but maintaining a strong core, no release in the back. Shake off any distractions and embrace the next movement. Let's go. Start standing with your feet under your hips. Start to lift the legs one leg at a time into a running motion and lift the knees parallel up to hip height if possible. Repeat the switching legs action as quickly as you are able to. Prepare for the next level of intensity. Get ready. In a standing position with your legs hip-width apart, move your hands to your feet, making sure they are shoulder-width apart. Keep your legs straight and core engaged as you move your arms out one at a time, lowering yourself to the floor and into a plank position. Shake off any distractions and embrace the next movement. Let's go. Hands and knees in table pose. Inhale and move into cow pose. Lift your sit bones, press your chest forward and belly sinks. Lift your head, relax shoulders away from your ears and gaze straight ahead. Exhale and come into cat pose while rounding your spine outward, tucking in your tailbone and drawing your pubic bone forward. Release your head towards floor. Ready for the next challenge? Let's go. Stand against a wall with your forearm placed in a vertical position, your elbow and shoulder bent 90 degrees. Place your feet in a staggered stance position with your back leg on the same side as the chest muscle being stretched. Slowly shift your weight forward until a stretch is felt in the front of your shoulder and chest. Hold for 30 seconds. Don't forget to keep breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Press your left palm against a wall or sturdy object. Slowly turn your body away from the wall. Feel the stretch in your chest, shoulder, and arm. Hold this position for up to 30 seconds. Repeat on the opposite side. Don't forget proper form and breathing techniques. Let's conquer this exercise. Lift arms, fold one arm back, palm against back. Place spare hand on elbow, gently pull inwards to feel tricep stretch. Breathe deeply, elongating stretch. Release arms, swing them to release tension. Repeat with other arm. Lift arms, fold one arm back, palm against back. Place spare hand on elbow, gently pull inwards to feel tricep stretch. Amazing workout today. Now let your body recover and prepare for the next one.